Hello students. So it's a continuation of simplify the following. We already solved 3 problems in the last video. So it's the next fourth one. Observe carefully. The question is tan inverse of root of 1 minus cos x by root of 1 plus cos x. Since already trigonometric function is present inside tan inverse, you're not allowed to substitute anything for x. Okay? So without substitution, we have to simplify this using trigonometric formulas. Yeah, 2 formula I'll write, which you know already, which studied in our first PUC trigonometric classes. The one is 1 minus cos 2x and another one is 1 plus cos 2x. Tell me? Yeah, first one is 2 sin square x, next one is 2 cos square x. So I'm using these formulas, okay, in the above expression to simplify. So consider the expression tan inverse of root of, what is 1 minus cos x? 1 minus cos x is, as I told in the previous problem, 1 minus cos 2x is 2 sin square x. This implies 1 minus cos x is 2 sin square x by 2, right? Divided by 1 plus cos 2x, 2 cos square x ಆದರೆ. In 1 plus cos x, 2x is x ಆಗತ್ತೆ, x ಇದದು x by 2 ಆಗತ್ತೆ. ಉಳಿದೆಲ್ಲ ಹಾಗೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, right? I hope you understood? So 2 cancel. Okay, so this is equal to tan inverse of sin square x theta by cos square theta. What is sin square theta by cos square theta? Tan square theta. What is theta here? X by 2. Okay, so you will get a perfect square inside the square root. So square root get cancelled. So you will get tan inverse of tan x by 2. Right now, because this square and the square root get cancelled. Yeah, after this is simple. What is the answer? X by 2, because tan inverse and tan cancel. Since we didn't do any substitution for x, here there is no work to replace in terms of x, because already this is in terms of x. So this itself is the answer. I hope you understood. Here important thing is these 2 formula, use it like this, right? Understood? Remember, don't substitute anything for x. That's the usual mistake. You'll substitute something for x and you can't get the answer. So answer is only x by 2. Yes. Next question. In this question, observe carefully. Is it any trigonometric function is present inside tan inverse? No, right? Since there is no trigonometric function inside tan inverse, this should be solved by using substitution. So what is the problem? Tan inverse of 3a square x minus x cube divided by xa cube minus 3x square. So recall some formula from trigonometry and try to match with this expression. Forget about a. Suppose a is not there. Suppose a is not there. It is in the form of 3x minus x cube by 1 minus 3x square. Can you recall or can you tell me what is the expression which match with this expression? Yeah, absolutely right. What is that expression? 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta divided by 1 minus 3 tan square theta, right now? And also you know this is nothing but tan 3 theta. So this way you should decide the substitution. But here a is present. So don't worry. Here what we did, we assumed a is equal to 1. So if a is not equal to 1, instead of substituting x equal to tan theta, you substitute x is equal to a tan theta. I hope you understood. See comparison, okay, then decide. So what is substitution? The substitution is x is equal to, if a is 1, it is just tan theta. Since a is not 1, a is present, so it is a tan theta. So substitute x is equal to a tan theta. I hope you understood how we decided this. It's important. Okay, now this expression will become tan inverse of 3. Remember, you are substituting for x, not for a. You are substituting for x. 3a square remains same. Tan theta 8 x is equal to 8 tan theta. So one more a will come like this. Minus x cube means a cube tan cube theta divided by a cube. Remember, you are substituting for x, not for a. Okay? So what is x square? A square tan square theta. Right now, I hope you understood. Be careful, substitute for x, not for a. So this is equal to tan inverse of 3a cube tan theta minus a cube tan cube theta, a cube minus 3a cube tan square theta. I hope you observe. What do you observe? Tell me. In all the four terms, which is common? A cube is common. So it will not trouble you to use this formula. So automatically it will get cancelled. I will not show you how it get cancelled. You know that because a cube is present in all the four terms, it will get cancelled. So it is 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta divided by 1 because a cube cancelled minus 3 tan square theta, and you know 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta divided by 1 minus 3 tan square theta is tan 3 theta. So it will become tan inverse of tan 3 theta, and tan inverse of tan 3 theta is equal to 3 theta because tan inverse and tan cancel. The next stage, converting into in terms of x, and you should be careful because what we substituted? We substituted x is equal to 8 tan theta. So this implies tan theta is equal to x by, you cannot directly write theta, you should first write tan theta. So this implies, what is theta? Yeah, tan inverse of x by a. So replace this here. So 3 theta is nothing but 3, what is theta? Tan inverse of x by a, and this is the required answer to this expression, or the simplest form of this expression is 3 tan inverse of x by a. I hope you understood. So here this method is important. So identifying the substitution, okay, using some trigonometric formula and using the given expression. I hope you understood. Yes, fine. Next question. In next question, you can see some trigonometric function present inside tan inverse. So what is not allowed? Yeah, which is not allowed? Substitutions is not allowed because already sin x and cos x is present inside tan inverse. So without using substitution, this should be simplified. So to simplify without using substitution, we should use some tricks or the trigonometric formula. Here in the beginning it is not any formula, it's just trick. Observe this carefully. Tan inverse of, what is the question? Tan inverse of a cos x minus b sin x divided by b cos x plus a sin x. Listen carefully, this trick is important, very useful for entrance exams. To bring tan inside tan inverse, always this position, the denominator first term must be 1. Use any tan formula, this position should be 1. Otherwise, you cannot bring tan inside tan inverse. To make this position 1, so what we should do? Divide the same number to that position. But you know, if you divide b cos x to this position, then you should divide the same term for all, right? So divide b cos x to numerator and denominator. Same thing, you should divide to numerator and denominator. Check what will happen. Observe this carefully. Tan inverse of a by b, a cos x by b cos x. So that remaining is only a by b because cos x cancel. I'm not writing. I hope you can manage this. Now minus b by b cancel. Sin x by cos x. What is sin x by cos x? Yes, tan x. Divided by this position, we already decided that it should be 1. So directly you can write 1. Plus a by b, right? Sin x by cos x, tan x. Right now? Now we need one trigonometric formula which we proved in the previous modules. Okay? See this. Can you guess what is the trigonometric formula? Observe carefully. It is tan inverse of x minus y divided by 1 plus x into y. Did you remember this? Yeah, answer is tan inverse of x minus tan inverse of y. Remember now this proof? Yeah. Now we are using this result in this question. So this become, according to this, what is x actually? In position of x we have a by b, in position of y we have tan x. So this will be tan inverse of x. X andreno a by b. Y position enide tan x. Remember that. Y position irudu tan x position irudu a by b. So this become tan inverse of a by b minus, you know, this is nothing but x. So this is a simplest form of the given expression. 1 minute here, observe carefully. This already given in the question. This answer is already present in the question. Where? See, the domain is given. A by b tan x must be greater than minus 1. That is a hint. Okay? That is a hint that that term must be present.